Hey, this is Thomas Talon with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you this beautiful Yamaha AR240. This boat has the suede gray with red hull side colors. Let's take a look at the interior of this boat. Boarding from the transom, you'll see that you've got a Fusion remote, stereo remote here on the back. Quick, easy access to change and program your radio stations, especially while you're sitting back and splashing in the water. Boarding the boat, you see you've got a nice transom walk-through. Lots of seating here in the cockpit with two captain's chairs. This captain's chair actually turns back around and sinks up flush with the deck, which is perfect for laying out. Going to the helm, you'll see the 7-inch Yamaha Kinect screen. This screen shows you engine performance, stereo controls, all systems on board the boat. It's touchscreen and it's also powered with this little remote right here. This Yamaha is powered with the 1.8 liter high output engine. This is a twin engine jet boat. Plenty of performance. Plenty of storage underneath the seats. In the floor storage locker here, perfect for water skis, wakeboards, all that good stuff. Console storage. And forward on the bow, you've got two filler cushions that fill this to make it a giant sun pad, or you can leave it set up the way it is now. Going forward, you actually have steps here to help boarding and tying up to the docks. Forward anchor laz has a boarding ladder as well. For more details on this boat, please check out our website, MarineMax.com, or stop by our Greenville office and check this boat out and look at the rest of the boats in our showroom. Thanks. Have a good day.